What's up, my dreamers? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Farrahdreamz coming live from the 919. Today I am so excited to be testing out the one and only Denman Brush. I have heard so many great things about this. What this Denman Brush is supposed to do is it's supposed to define your curls and prevent frizz. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to split my hair in half, and I'm gonna do one side with the Denman Brush and then one side without the Denman Brush, but I'm gonna use the same products on each side. So let's go ahead and see which side comes out better. So I just split my hair in half, and I'm going to put this towel under me because my hair is soaking wet. Let me go ahead and do that. This is a microfiber towel. I definitely recommend you guys to use microfiber towels if you are trying to start your curly hair journey. I believe that it makes all the difference. Ever since I stopped using cotton towels, my hair has just come out so much nicer. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some curly hair products in my hair. Today I'm gonna be using the Cantu curl cream. And then on top of that, I'm going to put the Deva Curl Frizz-Free Volumizing Foam. So a lot of people I have seen take off one of the rows of these bristles, but I don't want to do that. I just want to see how the Denman Brush works alone without doing anything extra. I don't know if that's necessary. I've seen some people say it's not really necessary. Okay, so I'm just going to distribute the hair products in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the volumizing foam. God, it smells so good. Okay, so typically when I do my hair, all I do is scrunch it. And you have to make sure that you hear this noise when you scrunch your hair because it has to be super wet. You hear that? That means you have enough water in your hair. If you don't hear that sound, then you probably won't get the same results as me. I find that it's easier to just do your hair in the shower. So put all the hair products and everything in the shower. That way you don't have to deal with coming out with like super wet hair and having to deal with it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep scrunching this side. Alright, so that's all I do on my regular curly hair routine. I don't do any finger coiling or anything like that. I just put the hair product in, scrunch it, and that's it. Now for the Denman Brush. Alright, first I'm going to make sure that the product is evenly distributed by brushing my hair. And when I felt these bristles on the Denman Brush, I was scared that it was going to get caught up in my hair and like pull my hair out, but it's actually brushing very smoothly. I can feel my hair all clumping together, which is a good thing when you're trying to, you know, make your curls defined. Wow, it just feels like it just glued all the hair together. That's so weird. There is a specific way to use the Denman Brush. You can't just brush it and then scrunch and expect to have amazing results. What you have to do is split your hair into sections. So first I'm going to start with the bottom half. And I'm just going to put this part up. You have to do a little bit of small sections, and then you go from under and brush it at an angle so that it begins to curl from the bottom. I don't know, maybe this section, Oh my god, did you guys see that? Oh, it was all the way at the bottom. Oh my god, it literally just curled up. Look at that. Can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna try to do it closer to the camera. Just gonna do this part. Okay. Let me move these out the way. Alright, are you ready for this? You're not ready. Alright, so start from the root, brush at an angle. And bam! Do you see that? That's crazy. It just curled my hair all up. Let me do this one. Oh, and I'm supposed to scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Wow, that's crazy. Ugh, it keeps tangling up at the bottom. Okay, I'm just gonna finish the rest of my hair. This is what the curls are looking like so far. Guys, I really want to just take off some of the bristles because I feel like it's not as dramatic as other videos I've seen. So I'm just gonna try to take one of the bristles off just like the other people do. Okay, I just took it out and I'm gonna take the middle line out and see if that makes a difference. Pulling this part out. That looks weird. Plot twist, I can't put it back in. What did I do? This is very difficult with slimy hands. Alright, I got it back in. We're back. Alright, let's see if this makes a difference. Nope. It didn't make a difference, y'all. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong. About to do a huge chunk. Okay, I see. Guys, I don't know about this. This looks weird. And it feels weird. But my curls are definitely looking more defined already compared to the right side that I did not do with the Denman brush. So maybe it is gonna make a difference. We shall see. But anyways, I'm gonna go diffuse my hair and I will be back to show you guys the final results. So I am back and I'm just gonna let you guys take a look at my hair before I say anything. I just want you to make your own opinion and let me know in the comments which side you like better, what you think, all of that, what differences you see. So my hair is not completely dry. I will check back in with you guys when it is completely dry, but I wanted to make some notes on things that I noticed. This side is definitely shorter, this side is longer. So what that means is that these curls bounced up, and that is what is called shrinkage. So when your curls shrink, you know, it's not a bad thing. I really like it because that means the curls are super defined. So I'm gonna get really close so you guys can see some of the curls, such as this one right here. Do you see how defined that is? It is like a perfect curl right there. And then on this side, I see more curls that look like this. They are defined, but they're just not like as loopy. I do see frizz on both sides, but I bet if you just air dried your hair, it wouldn't be as frizzy. But again, I don't really care about frizz. Like, frizz honestly makes your hair look bigger and better, in my opinion. I'm just gonna show you the ends. I really liked how easy it was to use the Denman brush. It didn't take much time and it clumped up my curls together and actually helped my hair dry faster. This side is actually more damp than this side. This side is almost completely dry. But now I'm just going to add some hair oil. This is the Deva Curl High Shine. And I'm sure that this will get rid of all that frizz. I definitely think it's worth it to try out the Denman brush. I believe that if you are starting your curly hair journey, this is a great way to see faster results, better defined curls, and less frizz. I'm gonna show you guys the back real quick. So this is the side that I didn't use the Denman brush, and this is the side that I did use the Denman brush. So Denman brush, no Denman brush. You see a difference back there? Because I can't see. I have definitely been very lazy with my hair lately, and I have not seen it this defined in a long time. Hey guys, I am back from work. My hair is completely dry, and y'all, this is so crazy. Like, look at this shrinkage. This is the side with the Denman brush, and it shrunk all the way up to here, and then this is the side I just did with my fingers, and I'm like, what? Like, this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna come close so you guys can see the difference in the curl pattern. But as you can see with the side with the Denman brush, look at that. Have you ever seen my hair look like this before? This is like, I look like Curly Sue. This is crazy. And then this side we have more curls that are stretched out, so they look like this right here. So I'm just gonna take the two so you guys can compare them. I don't know if you guys can see the curls better now, but Denman brush side and regular side. I'm just gonna go ahead and separate some of these curls. Will it still look the same? Wow, it looks even better when you separate the curls. These don't really need to be separated because they're already separated. So that's another thing. So I guess with the Denman brush, it clumps the curls together, which creates this very spirally curl. And then on the other side, it just kind of just goes with the natural curl pattern. So I definitely recommend you guys to try the Denman brush. I mean, these two sides are two different looks. I love both of them. I would rock either side. I just put my hair into this nice, cute, elegant style because I'm about to go out and finally see Aladdin. So let me know your thoughts about the Denman brush, and let me know if you want me to try anything else in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.